Exactly a year ago, I was just another student wondering if I could actually have a career in robotics. That's when I got the mail from the Lam Research Challenge. And little did I know that it would change my life. Hi, I'm Reuben Simon Matthew, and I started my journey with Lam as a participant in the Lam Research Challenge, a competition that pushed me beyond my comfort zone and taught me what real-life engineering feels like. Being a finalist of the Lam Research Challenge opened doors I did not expect. We've also prepared a GUI app that will allow us to communicate with the ESP, such that
the movement is
your angle. Yes, that's true. The same company that once challenged me is now guiding me to innovate and grow. That internship was my turning point. It taught me about Lam's culture of collaboration and precision. Today, I'm a full-time mechanical engineer working on the cutting edge of semiconductor manufacturing tools. What started as a competition became a purpose. Lam taught me that innovation only starts when you dare to try, even when you're just starting out. I will always look back at the Lam Research Challenge as the moment that set my career in motion. Thank you, Lam.